Webasto remote control in a 2023 T6.1. It's just been sort of released and we're now able to do it. So let's have a look at what's sort of required in terms of things you need to check on your van, and then we'll take a look at sort of where the kit is and everything and show you it working. Right, so checking your van to see if you've got a Webasto unit fitted underneath it. You can do that by just checking this sticker just here. So on this van, this one says Webasto Thermo and Comfort SE. So that means it's got a Webasto unit in it, and now we're able to sort a kit that enables a remote start. So I'll show you roughly where it all is in the van. This one's a bit tricky because it's a disability use van, so the install's been slightly different to how it would normally be in like a T6 or something like that, because obviously these are very similar vans, T6s, 6.1s, but I can talk you through where everything is and then demonstrate it working. So as I said, this van is used for wheelchair access and stuff like that. So the seat arrangement is different to normal. Normal, you'd have a standard seat base and all the gubbins and everything, connection points, most of them are in there. So obviously I've had to tweak where everything is. There's a little controller unit that would normally get fitted in the seat base, but I haven't been able to do that on this. I've had to move it into inside the B pillar, but it all still works. It has a little antenna that the remote picks up on, which is fitted up behind the glove box. And then there's a few connections that go on in the dashboard. So the only difference really was having to work around this different style of seat. But what it means is if we get Sammy to jump in and he can concentrate on the main dash at the front, I can then turn it on, we'll see it all running, and we might be able to hear it spooling up and stuff, the Webasto underneath the van spooling up, but we'll be able to demonstrate it all turning on at least. So let's crack on and do that. Right, so Sammy's in the van, I'm outside the van, so van's all closed up, I'm just leaning in through the window. If I now press and hold on the remote, that goes red. I can hear that stuff is clicking and turning on, and you can see there that the AC little orange light has come on. I'm now, with my hand over the vents, I can start to feel air being pushed through. And then in a few seconds time, say 20, 30 seconds, I'll then be able to hear the actual Webasto motor starting to spool up under the van, and I'll be able to smell that fuel being burnt as it's all running and doing its job. And then obviously we'll gradually get more air being pushed through. But I can feel that's cool air coming through. I can hear everything starting to spool up underneath the van, and it's just going to sit here and start cooling the van down. So if the van was locked, and it's a nice hot day or whatever, and you wanted to cool your van down before you get into it, then you can do that. Obviously we've turned it on, it's running, it's doing its job. The remote is occasionally flashing a little red light, there you go, just let me know that it's on. There we go, I can really now hear it all starting to spool up. Sounds like a distant jet plane about to take off, basically. So yeah, all working. Not a lot else to see, admittedly, but what we can do is we can now turn it off, press and hold on the off. AC light has gone off, so it's powered down, and then the Webasto heater itself underneath the van will back itself off and gradually spool back down until it's turned off. And that's it. Remote start for Webasto heater in a T6.1. So if you've checked your van and you've got that little Webasto sticker in your door, if you're unsure, you can always email it to us and check it on your contact form and everything like that, just to make sure. But if you're interested in having your Webasto on a controller, then do get in touch. Pass on to your mates. I've also got 6.1s, because I know there's a lot of you out there. And yeah, in the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe and check out all the other videos we've done. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.